Hello beautiful, I hope you're having an amazing, lovely day today. This is today's makeup look, and to start off I'm going to start by doing my brows using the Morphe Brow Stick in the shade Java. As you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and fill in my brows. I like to start off where I have very thin hair. Now to clean up my brows, I'm going to use the Eyeshadow Brow concealer in the shade Cool Tan. Setting my brows with the Morphe Brow Setting Gel. And then as a base for my eyeshadow, I'm going to use the same concealer, which is the Eyeshadow Brow Conceal. And I'm going to blend that all over my eyelid. Today's eyeshadow look, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and I'm going to start with the shade Doll Face. I'm going to focus on the inner corner of my eyelid, and then I'm just going to continue to build the color going back and forth from Risque, Doll Face, with a little bit of Man Eater, and I'm just going to continue to build up that color. Now in the outer corner of my eyelid, I'm going to use Black Truffle, and I'm going to blend that in with the shade that I applied earlier on the inner corner of my eyelid. So you want to continue to blend until you see that they both are just kind of like one color. There is no, like, you want it to be smooth and seamless. This is what your eyeshadow should look like once it's blended out. If you have a glitter stick, you can go ahead and use that, but if not, I'm going into the eyeshadow palette, which is called the Crayon Case. I'm going to take the gray glitter from there, and I'm going to use a thin brush to apply that. And I'm just going to go ahead and add some e.l.f. black liner. Add some lashes of your choice. These are some beautiful, beautiful mink lashes that I love to wear. And that is it, you guys, for this makeup look. I went ahead and finished the rest of my makeup. And yeah, this is what the makeup look came out to be. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I am going to be uploading every Sunday, so stay tuned to all the makeup looks that I have coming out. And yeah, you guys, this is it. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. I hope you guys have an amazing, lovely day, and I will see you guys next time.